Hello lovelies, welcome back to another new update. Please subscribe if you are new here. So today we are going to prepare our cake using our mini electric toaster oven. It's so simple to bake with. The list of ingredients you'll be needing is our 250 grams margarine, our 250 grams of flour, our milk, our 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 150 grams of sugar, 1 tablespoon of nutmeg, 4 small eggs, and my vanilla essence. To start with, I placed my margarine in my basin and added my sugar. After, I took my electric mixer and mixed everything thoroughly till it became fluffy. You can use a wooden spoon in mixing your ingredients if you don't have an electric mixer. I have tutorials on this and the link is in the description box below. So my mixture is fluffy and ready now, so I went ahead and added my egg. I added it in bits in order to prevent it from curdling. After I'm done with the eggs, I then added my milk to it. I then set that aside after I was done, so I added up all the dry ingredients, the baking powder, nutmeg and flour, and I sieved it to incorporate air into it. After I was done sieving my flour, I added it into my mixture and I folded in. Please don't stir your mixture too much. Yes, so as you can see, I'm folding in the mixture bit by bit, not all in one. I did it gradually, one at a time. After folding in the flour, I added 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence. I melted chocolate and mixed it into different mixture. So after, I greased my pan and I dusted it with some flour in order to make my cake come out easily. So I spreaded out my mixture evenly in my tray. Yeah, this is the tray in the oven toaster and that is what I'll be using in baking. So I plugged my oven and I preheated it. Yeah, you need to preheat it for it to be hot before you put in your mixture. So as you can see, I'm turning on the toaster oven. Yeah, so that is on, and with the temperature, I placed it at 150 degrees, as you can see, so it will be very hot soon. So I went ahead and I placed my mixture in other baking tins also. So I hit this in my palm in order to remove every air in it and to level it up. So I added my melted chocolate to my mixture. The oven was hot and ready, so I went ahead and I placed the first cake in the oven. Please, if you are baking, don't open your oven frequently, or else your cake is not going to rise. It will sink. So I allowed it to rise very well, as you can see. And this was the second one that was baking. So as it was ready, I placed in a stick and it came out so clean. That was telling me the cake was ready, and as you can see, it's nicely baked. I hope this tutorial was very useful and the electric oven works so magically. Please subscribe for more tutorials and please give a thumbs up if you like this video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. See you on my next video.